It was a hot morning in the jungle. Black Monkey woke up, looked at his reflection in the water, and thought, why does the giant gorilla lift tree trunks, and I can barely lift a medium rock? He trained every day, branch push-ups, banana sprints, coconut lifts, but his muscles still look like an office chimp's. Then Black Monkey heard two gorillas talking in the next tree.
Did you see the size of Blue Gorilla? He started taking the white powder of strength.
Black Monkey got curious. White powder? Isn't that a human thing? But curiosity spoke louder. He climbed down, crossed the river, and went to the jungle sage's cave, an old orangutan who knew everything about muscles and bananas. Inside the cave, Black Monkey asked, Wise One, what is this white powder that makes gorillas lift rocks like dry leaves? The old sage smiled.
That little black monkey is called creatine. It's not magic, it's jungle science. Your body already has creatine, but in small amounts.
The wise one explained.
Creatine is a natural substance made by the body that works as a fast source of energy for the muscles, increasing strength, performance, and recovery. It helps regenerate ATP, your muscle's main energy, allowing more reps and harder training. Daily use of 3 to 5 grams of creatine monohydrate, the most studied and effective form, boosts muscle volume, improves performance, and is safe for healthy individuals when taken with enough water. Other versions cost more and don't bring extra benefits.
Black Monkey's eyes widened. So that's what Blue Gorilla uses to fly with the rocks? The sage laughed.
Not to fly, but to lift more and tire less, yes.
Black Monkey went home excited. He grabbed his coconut cup, mixed the white powder with water, stirred it with a stick, and drank it all. The next day, he went to train. And what happened? During the first exercise, he already felt the difference. More strength, more energy, and his muscles looked swollen like ripe jungle bananas. But the sage warned.
Black Monkey, be careful. Creatine is not a magic potion. It only works if you train and drink plenty of water, and you must take it every day, not just when you remember.
Black Monkey understood. He started taking 5 grams daily, religiously, never forgot again. Over time, the other animals began to notice.
Black Monkey looks different, stronger. His veins look like jungle vines.
Moral of the story. Creatine isn't magic, but it's the best natural supplement in the jungle. More strength, more energy, faster recovery, and the best part, safe, cheap, and tested by the old jungle monkeys. Today, Black Monkey looks at his reflection and says, I used to be an ordinary black monkey. Now I'm a creative monkey with creatine. And as the sun rises over the jungle, he smiles and shouts, Banana strong, baby!